Good morning, vlog family. Yo, how you guys doing, man? Okay, yo, a few things in the life of me, Daryl. Yeah, that's me. First thing, it's not actually morning, it's nighttime. And second thing, guys, I haven't made a video for like 3 weeks now. Is it 3 weeks?
Four weeks?
4 weeks?
Yeah.
Wow. 4 weeks, that's terrible, man.
Yeah. Say like 3.5, it'll sound better.
Anyways, yo, I apologize for that, guys. So here's what happened. It's kind of, basically, I went to Montana about a month ago now, and... Alright, Ty, could you get a nice picture of me? For the gram, it's gonna be lit.
Yeah.
Oh! Cool. And I daily vlog every single day. So first of all, that was really hard to do. Second, whenever I got home, I had like 11 or 12 days of footage to process and edit, and it was just so overwhelming. And I wanted to do it, but I just didn't have time. I work a normal job like most of you watching this. Actually, only little kids really watch this.
I think it's mostly kids.
I go to school every single day, just like you guys, and that was really hard because I didn't have time to edit, which most YouTubers do for a living, which I don't. Anyways, my point is, guys, I got a little depressed. I got a little depressed, sorry, depressed isn't a very good... I got a little unmotivated to make all these videos, so that brings me to right now, which I haven't uploaded for 3 weeks. Anyways, we're getting so off topic, it's ridiculous, guys. We're gonna jump right back into YouTube with a very simple video. Ryan, what should we do today?
What are you wearing?
What?
What are you wearing, dude? Like, seriously, what are you...
I don't know. I didn't really...
What is this? 36 Shades of Grey? I'll have to...
That was so lame.
Get it?
I think the better question is, what are you filming with?
Dude, you gave me this camera. You told me to film it.
I did, it was me. So me and Ryan have been brewing all these ideas. Actually, they're right here. Just pause the screen. But we have so many ideas. We're gonna start filming them today, actually. So first on the list is reacting. Wait, Ryan, get in the shot. Reacting to. Wait.
Which one are you looking at?
We'll switch back and forth. Reacting to number 1 on trending. Yeah. How was that for an intro?
It was decent.
Okay. Well, let's just get started. Wow, I'm sitting down now. Neat. Here, Ryan, you come sit down.
Okay.
Ryan, you can turn that off.
Okay.
Also, your limb. Never mind. Let's just start the video. Sorry, I should explain this a little bit before. Me and Ryan came up with the bright idea that we should just react to the #1 video on trending every week. Like, basically, we'll just find the most entertaining videos on trending and react to one of them. We're here on trending. Let's, what's the first one? Jimmy Kimmel on mass shooting in Vegas. Might be kind of depressing.
Yeah. No.
Thoughts and prayers go out to anyone affected, which is everyone. I'm an idiot. Alright, guys, we gotta pick a different one. I don't want to watch Rice Gum.
Okay. Dude, just keep going. Come on, let's go. What? What's that? How to easily make money online.
Okay, so this video is how to easily make money online. It has 28,550 views, and he only has 34 subscribers. So 34 subscribers.
We're beating him.
Honestly, bro, I have like what 350 subscribers, and like, how does this make it to trending? Yo, road to trending, Ryan. think of the possibilities.
This was my idea.
Yo, we will make it to trending.
That was actually my idea. We're gonna start a series called Road to Trending.
Hashtag Road to Trending.
So let's watch this 28,000 viewed video.
What is up, guys? Phil Clark here.
Phil Clark.
Phil the Thrill Clark.
Yeah.
Mom's calling you.
Yeah, Mom?
Ma! Yeah. Mom, what is it?
I'll be right back.
Mom, do you want to be in my video? It's your big day, Mom. Look, you're on my YouTube channel. Alright, let's continue with the video. That took way longer than I was expecting.
So basically, my 10-year-old brother recently bought a $5,000 gaming PC.
Wow.
Why'd you pause it?
His 10-year-old brother bought a $5,000 gaming PC.
Round of applause.
And he paid for this using this app called tap code.
Tap code. You ever heard of this tap code?
No, I
haven't heard of tap. No, no tap code.
No tap code.
It doesn't exist.
And I was amazed at how easy it is to make that much money just using your phone. So
Ryan, do you realize what this means?
This is the key to success.
We're gonna be rich.
Why are we making YouTube videos if we can just make money with these things?
Tap code.
Tap code.
all you have to do is open
Sorry, what?
Safari.
Okay, open Safari.
Step 1 is open Safari.
Alright.
Consider it dumb.
And you're going to want to go on tapcode.club.
Tapcode.club. No, club with a B. There's no M.
Club.com.
.com.
Okay, we're on it.
Okay.
I have a link down below for you guys.
Oh,
We
just
should
click
click the
Why
link.
didn't you tell us that
Gosh,
first?
freaking darn
We have
it.
to type in the.
There's always a link. Ryan, why didn't we think of this?
I'm not sure, dude.
And today's intermission is brought to you by nothing. We have no sponsors. Today's shout out is Kalo then. And he says, hey, shout out dad. I don't know what that means, but we're just gonna shout him out. Thanks for watching, and your name's right here. So, good job for being, yeah, that fly was. Let's go back to the video.
6:39 a.m. Why is he shooting us at 6:39 a.m.?
Charge your phone a little less, you weirdo. No SIM card. He's probably mooching off Starbucks' Wi-Fi like I do. What a chump.
He's trying to scam us all. This is his app that he made, and we're paying money to him.
So yeah, basically once you're on the site,
Okay.
it will give you a list of apps and offers to try out. They're all free. You download it, it's free, and then you run it, and you complete the tutorial. Give you points. So this app gives 42 points, and you'll see that that'll give you $42.
Bill Clark, bro, you're so boring. How are you on trending? What do you guys think?
Wait, what? That camera's recording too?
Yeah, didn't you see the cameraman? What do you think?
Cool.
He agrees. He agrees, yes. Anyways, back to this camera. Let's just wrap up the video here.
So yeah, basically.
This is number 16 on trending, guys. I think we can do it. I think we can do it if we just copy his clickbait and his title and just basically copy everything that his life has amounted to up until this.
Yeah, Phil Clark, we're coming for you.
Let's just comment, I love you,
Phil Clark.
Phil Clark, all caps.
18's not the vote year or whatever. Election year?
And done, guys. That is the video for today. Hopefully you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to both our channels. Links will be in the description. Wow, we actually sound like proper YouTubers, Ryan.
Weakest high five I've ever seen.
I know.
Alright, so.
Alright, thanks for being in my video, Ryan. Sorry, I only have change. Do you take quarters?
Yeah. That's a dime. I don't get a freaking penny anymore. What? Okay.
Thanks for watching this far, guys. Comment down below DKV for life, and I'll shout you out.
Whip with me. Ready? 1, 2. That wasn't a whip. No.
No, that wasn't.